In this video, the first thing that we have to do is we need to create our models inside the main project now. So let me close all of the tabs here and we'll be working in the main mango.web project. Inside the models folder, I will right click, add three class files. First one will be card header DTO, followed by the card details DTO, and finally we have the card DTO. If we examine what we have inside the shopping cart API, let's go to the models, DTOs. We will copy exactly the same things. So cart DTO will be the same. We will go to the cart header DTO. And finally, we will open up the cart details DTO. We'll close this. And great, this looks good. But with cart header, I also want to add one more property here, which will be double order total. Now this will not be populated or passed from the API, but we will be doing these calculations inside our controller in the main project. So that's why I have added this additional property. We will be adding more properties here in future, but right now this is sufficient. Then right now the shopping cart API is set as the startup project. So with that, let me run the project here, and I want to copy the URL. So once you have this URL, just copy that, close the project, and in our main web project, we will open up the appsettings.json file. Here we have to create another URL. So this one will be for shopping cart API. And we will paste the URL like this. Next thing that we will do is inside our static details, we will create another static variable that will hold our shopping cart API. Then if we open up the startup class file, we will configure that as well. So we'll copy and paste, and this will be shopping cart API base. We will go to the app settings and copy the name, which is shopping cart API, paste it here. So with this, our models look good in order to consume the shopping cart API. Next, we have to configure a cart service just like we have the product service. In there, we will have all of the methods that will make the API call. Let's do that in the next video.